Good morning, Saturday morning. Time to move on again. So I'm going to my next stopover. But I'll be back here within a week again. I like this place. And there's so much to video. I didn't have time to video the whole lot, so I'll be back. Stopover, about 10 minutes drive from the previous place. Just over a kilometre of dirt roads. And I haven't uploaded any videos because of the internet. Internet's just been so slow all over the place, so let's see what's going to happen here. But at least I've got some catch-up time, catch up with all my videos, and already bumped into quite a few people here that have been following me and that knows my van. Good morning, Sunday morning. Nice and sunny, beautiful sunrise this morning. I've parked here at least behind the bush, protected from the wind. Got a bit of a wind blowing now, but what a sight. Good morning, Monday morning. Beautiful sunrise this morning, cloudy but red skies, and then the mist and fog came in, or sea spray, whatever it is, but it's all hazy over the sea now. The sun comes out, time to do washing. Was out in the water today. Actually, I saw a couple going out before the sun even came up. Don't know what the waves are about, but obviously there must be good waves if the guys go out that early. Lots of guys out there now. Guys and girls. Good morning, Thursday morning. And last night I went for a braai with Leon and Magda. Baie dankie dat julle my uitgenooi het. Dit was lekker geselskap en ons het lekker gekuier, lekker gebraai. So today we've got hamburgers at the pool. I don't know why there's no surface out there. And it's probably the tide coming in. But yeah, I don't know anything about surfing, so surfers might appear later. Yesterday there were lots and lots of surfers out there. Morning, Friday morning. Looks like it's going to be another stunning day. Beautiful sunrise this morning again, and I think it's going to get up to 30 plus temperature wise today. It's going to be very lekker, real beach weather. Please subscribe to my channel, I'll appreciate that. Costs you nothing. Just click the subscribe button and like my videos. And then if you click on the bell, you'll get a notification for every time I post a video. And I don't post often lately because of the bad internet connection. But please subscribe, I'll appreciate that. Thank you.